So for our second parabola, these are my pants, Kyle's pants. I recommend them if you like a lot of comfortability, because they are very comfortable.
So here's our parabola right here. I'm just gonna make the picture smaller so we can do the work. So here's our parabola again. The height of his pants is 78.74 centimeters, and the length is 45 centimeters. Alright, so now we have to find the vertex. So what we do is split the parabola in half, and our vertex is right here. So what we do is divide 45 by 2, and we should get 22.5. So our vertex is 22.5 and 78.74. So now that we have our vertex, we can put that in our standard form, which is y equals ax minus 22.5 squared plus 78.74. The coordinates of the parabola right here is 0, 0. So we found 0, 0. Let me just resize this. We can write that in our formula, so it would be 0 equals a 0 minus 22.5 squared plus 78.74. And then now what we want to do is subtract 78.74, because we need to bring it to the other side. So 78.74, this cancels out, and then this would be 78.74. Now we can just rewrite this, so it'll be negative 78.74 equals to a 0 minus 22.5 squared. Now what we want to do is get rid of the power here. So now we rewrite it, so it becomes negative 78.74 equals to 506.25a. Now last step is to divide 78.74 by 506.25, because we want to isolate the variable a. So this becomes negative 78.74 divided by 506.25 equals a. And when you put that in your calculator, it should give you negative 0.15, which equals to a. And now we plug this number into our equation. So the equation should be y equals negative 0.15 x minus 22.5 squared plus plus 78.74. And this is your final answer.
Now, to find the x and y intercepts, I'll redraw my parabola. And at the top here, we have 22.5, 78.74. Our first x point will be at 0, 0, and our second will be at 45 and 0. So our x-intercepts are at 0 and 0, and 0 and 45. And our y-intercept is also at 0, 0. Our domain is x equals all real numbers, and our range is y is less than or equal to 78.74. And our direction of opening is down.